How to find UPS account number 2025. Need your UPS account number and can't find it anywhere? You're not alone. Most people get stuck here, but once you know where to look, it's surprisingly easy. Your UPS account number is typically a 6-character alphanumeric code, and it's required for billing, shipping discounts, and customer support. The fastest way to find it in 2025 is through your UPS online account. Sign into UPS.com and go to your profile or payment settings. Your account number is usually listed under billing preferences or payment methods. Another place to check is past invoices. If you've shipped with UPS before, your account number appears on billing statements, whether digital or printed. Open any recent invoice and look near the top or in the payment details section. Here's what most people miss. If you created shipping labels through UPS WorldShip or the UPS app, your account number may be saved inside those tools as well. You can also find your account number on shipping receipts, especially if you dropped off packages at a UPS store using your account. If all else fails, contact UPS customer support. After verifying your identity, they can provide your account number directly. You won't believe how fast this works once you reach the right department. The surprising truth is that your account number is rarely lost. It's just hidden in places people don't think to check. Now you know exactly how to find your UPS account number without stress. Subscribe for more business and shipping tips that save you time.